Alrighty, we're back here. Time to unbox another video. So let's see, what do we have today? This one is heavy. It is a bigger sized box. Whew, I wasn't expecting it to be that heavy when I grabbed it. So let me open this thing and then see what is inside of it. Even the box is hard to open. Oh, I forgot. Yay! It's actually ironic because I forgot I ordered these and I needed these. This is why it's so heavy, because look at what this is. This is, I've never actually tried these, but I decided to give these a go. They're the sparkling ice with caffeine. I hope they taste good. They're black raspberry. So this is why that box is 1,000 pounds. Oh my god, I almost dropped it. Okay, let's put it over here where it'll be nice and safe. And then the other thing in this box is not exciting. It is just my dog's Greenies, food for my dog. So that's all that was in this bag. So it looks like I ordered like home stuff in this box. So yeah, that's it for that box. See you guys next time. Bye.